Hi everyone. One way to make a classroom video is by using a video camera. This is just a small handheld camera. Um, it's got 10 megapixels capability, but you can change the size as you need to. The brand is Exacti, and it's a Sanyo. It's a Sanyo Exacti. But that's the model that I've been using for a couple of years. But it really doesn't matter for the kind of video that we make in the classroom. It doesn't have to be ultra super high quality. It just has to be be functional, really. So as far as this camera goes, you just open it up, and mine has a view screen here, and this camera runs with an SD card. So I just put it in the slot. Every camera is going to be a little bit different. A lot of them, though, should have a view screen. They should have a place for either an SD card or something smaller than this, a micro SD card, or even a USB, a memory stick. One of the little bit longer ones should have some place for some sort of memory capacity. So look for that when you're buying one. But that's going in. And then what I do when I want to record is I just aim it at my target lesson, my target area, whether it's a whiteboard, whether it's a piece of writing that I'm working on, whatever it is, whether maybe it's a movement that I want to teach. I would just do that, and then when I want to record, I hit this button here, which is the red button is usually a record button. You might find it like that, or you might find the circle red that means record. Depends on what you have for a menu. So you do have to learn a little bit about your camera if you have a camera that does recording. And so as I start the recording and I do my lesson, okay, I'm teaching whatever I'm teaching. And you can also aim it down too, because you can look in the view screen to see what you're getting for a view. But you aim it down and then you can teach your lesson underneath it. And if you're doing that, though, you probably want to prop it up on something so that you know, can have both hands to write with and kind of hang on to your paper with. You can also have a student help stabilize this, but I do suggest setting it on something when they're stabilizing because it'll be really shaky. And I'll try to find some examples of my earlier on videos, some of which are so shaky. You might get a little bit seasick watching those. But if there's something to stabilize it, even a child can just keep it still. This one will fall over, but another obvious solution is a tripod. They do sell some pretty cheap tripods if you don't already have one. But, and they sell some tripods that are very malleable. You can put them in any position that you want to put them in, and they're very, very convenient. But I just don't usually bother with them anymore. But I've tried them too. I've tried a lot of different stuff. So for me, my philosophy is I need to have as little equipment as possible.